What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're putting two of the most powerful laptops of 2025 head-to-head, the MSI Titan 18HX AI and the Lenovo Legion 9i Gen 10. These are absolute desktop replacements, but which one is the right fit for you? We'll break down the design, display, performance, and more. Make sure you watch until the very end, because by the time this video is over, you'll know exactly which of these Titans is the winner. And while you're at it, hit that like button. It helps me out a lot. All the links for the latest prices and deals are in the description below. Let's get into it. The MSI Titan 18HX AI establishes itself as a clear desktop replacement from the moment you see it, with its substantial 1.26-inch thickness and nearly 8-pound weight. Its build is defined by a sturdy magnesium-aluminum alloy chassis, which feels premium and robust, and features a prominent thermal shelf on the rear that not only houses larger cooling vents, but also extends the port selection. The design of the Titan is intentionally imposing, with a professional all-black interior and subtle silver accents that convey a commanding presence without being overly flashy. A unique, if somewhat imperfect feature of its design is the invisible haptic touchpad, which is meant to blend seamlessly into the palm rest, though its off-center placement and finicky operation can make it feel a bit unintuitive. In contrast, the Lenovo Legion 9i Gen 10 presents a slightly different approach to its design and build. While still a hefty machine at around 3.5 kilograms, it manages to feel a bit slimmer and lighter than its MSI counterpart. The Legion 9i uses a sophisticated mix of carbon fiber, aluminum, and reinforced polymer, with a distinctive carbon fiber finish on the lid that gives each unit a unique, almost one-of-a-kind look. Its design language is both professional and aggressive, with a centered, customizable RGB-lit Legion Y logo. The chassis features a raised rear foot for improved airflow and a comfortable typing angle, and the overall feel is solid with minimal flex. The Legion's trackpad is a more traditional, extra-large glass surface that provides a smooth and precise experience, avoiding the haptic and placement issues found on the Titan. When it comes to ports and connectivity, both laptops are exceptionally well equipped to serve as true desktop replacements. The MSI Titan 18HX AI boasts a comprehensive selection, with the power jack, HDMI 2.1, and Ethernet located at the rear for cable management. The sides are home to 3 USB-A 3.2 Gen 2 ports, a full-sized SD card slot, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and most notably, 2 Thunderbolt 5 USB-C ports, which offer immense bandwidth for connecting multiple high-resolution displays or high-speed peripherals. Similarly, the Lenovo Legion 9i Gen 10 offers a studio-grade selection of ports intelligently distributed across its chassis. On the left side, you'll find a USB-A, a flip-down RJ45 Ethernet, 2 Thunderbolt 5 USB-C ports, and a headset jack. The right side includes another USB-C, 2 more USB-A ports, a full-size SD card slot, and a convenient webcam kill switch. The rear of the Legion is dedicated to the power jack and HDMI 2.1, keeping critical cables out of the way during use. Both machines support Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4, ensuring they are future-proofed for high-speed wireless connections. The MSI Titan 18HX AI showcases a magnificent 18-inch 4K mini LED panel, which serves as the centerpiece of its visual experience. This display produced vibrant colors, deep contrast, and exceptional brightness, reaching 414 nits in SDR and nearly double that in HDR. While it may not achieve the absolute black levels of an OLED screen, the mini LED technology is still considered a premium choice in this large form factor, providing breathtaking visuals for both creators and gamers who prioritize immersion. However, the display's 120Hz refresh rate, while smooth for cinematic single-player titles, is a potential point of contention for competitive esports players who might seek the faster response times and higher refresh rates offered by other panels. In a similar vein, the Lenovo Legion 9i Gen 10 also features an impressive 18-inch display, but it stands out with a unique dual-mode functionality. The glossy IPS panel can operate at a stunning 4K resolution with a 240Hz refresh rate, which is ideal for high-fidelity content creation and AAA gaming. For those who play competitive shooters, it offers a secondary mode at a lower 1200p resolution with an ultra-fast 440Hz refresh rate. While this dual-mode capability is a significant advantage, switching between the modes requires a BIOS reboot, which can be clunky. The Legion 9i's display is lauded for its excellent image quality, wide color coverage, and smooth motion, making it a versatile screen for a variety of demanding tasks. When it comes to the keyboard and input devices, the MSI Titan 18HX AI offers a truly distinctive feature, a Cherry MX low-profile mechanical keyboard. This provides a tactile, chunky, and satisfying typing experience that closely mimics a desktop mechanical keyboard. While the main keys offer this unique feel, it's worth noting that the arrow keys, function row, and numpad utilize standard laptop switches, creating a minor inconsistency in the overall feel. The keyboard layout is also unconventional, with an enlarged left control key that impacts the placement of other keys. The Titan's touchpad, on the other hand, is less successful. It is a haptic, invisible touchpad that is awkwardly positioned in the center and can suffer from loud clicks and occasional input delays, lacking the refinement of competitors' designs. The Lenovo Legion 9i Gen 10 features a keyboard that is widely regarded as one of the best in the gaming laptop segment. It offers deep key travel and tactile feedback along with comfortable spacing and a thoughtful layout. This keyboard includes per-key RGB lighting and dedicated function keys for quick adjustments. The Legion 9i's trackpad is an extra-large glass surface that is smooth and precise, supporting all Windows gestures without the finicky issues that plague the Titan's touchpad. Regarding the camera and audio, the MSI Titan 18HX AI's 1080p webcam is a disappointment, as it produces noisy and grainy video that doesn't align with the laptop's premium status. Similarly, the 6-speaker audio system is underwhelming, with a flat sound profile that is easily overpowered by the laptop's loud cooling fans under heavy load. This makes an external webcam and a high-quality headset essential for users who prioritize streaming, video calls, or immersive audio. In comparison, the Lenovo Legion 9i Gen 10 offers a better webcam experience with a 1080p camera that provides clear and sharp video. The dual-array microphones also capture voices naturally. The audio system on the Legion 9i is a standout feature, with stereo speakers that are tuned to deliver loud, distortion-free sound with crisp highs and decent bass, approaching the quality of high-end multimedia laptops. Finally, the battery life for both of these powerful desktop replacements is a significant compromise. The MSI Titan 18HX AI, with its 99 watt-hour battery, offers a meager 2 to 3 hours of light use and even less when gaming, confirming its role as a machine that is intended to be plugged in almost all the time. On the plus side, MSI makes the battery user-replaceable, a rare feature in today's laptops. The Lenovo Legion 9i Gen 10 also has a 99 watt-hour battery, but its longevity is equally limited. Users can expect about 4.5 to 5 hours of light use and approximately 1 hour of gaming on battery power. This poor battery performance is an expected trade-off for the high-wattage components and power-hungry displays in both of these machines, making portability secondary to raw performance. Both behemoths in the world of desktop replacement laptops, designed to push the limits of performance for both gaming and content creation. A direct comparison of their core components reveals a fascinating dynamic, showcasing how each manufacturer prioritizes a different flavor of power. The Titan 18HX comes equipped with the Intel Core Ultra 9 285HX processor and an NVIDIA RTX 5090 laptop GPU, while the Legion 9i features the Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX and an NVIDIA RTX 5080. This difference in specifications, particularly in the GPU, creates a notable distinction in their overall capabilities. In terms of raw processing power for CPU-intensive tasks, the Intel Core Ultra 9 285HX in the MSI Titan holds a slight edge over the 275HX in the Lenovo Legion. The 285HX is generally regarded as being marginally faster in multi-threaded workloads, a benefit that can be felt in demanding applications like 3D rendering, complex software compilation, or scientific simulations. This minute difference in CPU performance is compounded by the Titan's more powerful cooling system and higher wattage allocation, which allows the components to run at their maximum potential for longer periods. For creators who regularly work with large, complex projects that tax both the CPU and GPU, the Titan's hardware configuration provides a bit more headroom for sustained, high-end performance. When it comes to editing power, both machines are exceptional, but the MSI Titan's RTX 5090 GPU gives it a clear advantage. The 5090, with its higher video RAM and CUDA core count, handles tasks like 8K video editing, complex effects in DaVinci Resolve, and GPU-accelerated rendering in Blender with greater speed and efficiency. The Legion 9i, with its RTX 5080, is by no means a slouch and still offers phenomenal performance for these workloads, but the Titan's top-tier GPU pushes rendering times down and allows for smoother real-time scrubbing of high-resolution timelines. Both laptops leverage their powerful Intel CPUs and ample RAM to handle the computational side of editing with ease, but the Titan's graphics card provides that extra layer of grunt for the most demanding visual tasks. In the realm of gaming, the disparity in GPU power is even more pronounced. The MSI Titan 18HX, with its NVIDIA RTX 5090, is the undisputed performance leader, consistently delivering higher frame rates in demanding AAA titles. The review mentioned a 10% performance lead in games like Cyberpunk 2077 compared to a laptop with an RTX 5090, which can be attributed to the Titan's ability to push its components harder. The Legion 9i's RTX 5080 is an incredible gaming GPU, capable of delivering a fantastic experience at native 4K resolution with modern technologies like DLSS, but it simply cannot match the raw output of the RTX 5090. The Titan's 120Hz 4K mini LED display is breathtaking for single-player cinematic experiences, where the focus is on graphical fidelity and immersion. Conversely, the Lenovo Legion 9i offers a unique dual-mode display with a 4K 240Hz option for high-fidelity gaming and a 1200p 440Hz mode for competitive esports. This flexibility makes the Legion an appealing choice for a broader range of gamers, as it caters to both visual splendor and competitive speed, while the Titan's focus remains purely on maximizing graphical performance at the highest possible resolution. So, after a close look at all the key features, it's clear there's no bad choice here. But if you want the absolute best performance money can buy, and you don't mind the trade-offs, the MSI Titan 18HX AI is the clear winner. It's the ultimate desktop replacement for those who demand the pinnacle of power.